Hi there, and welcome to Stock Sync. The advanced settings for Remove Product Feed provides additional settings for how the products are removed from the store. By default, Stock Sync will archive the products in store, and the archiving does not require Stock Sync credit. Stock Sync archive single variant products and ignore multivariance products. By enabling the partial match, Stock Sync will archive multivariant product, even if only one variant is matched. By selecting the Remove Product option, Stock Sync will remove the products from store using Stock Sync credits. By default, the option allows archive or remove of duplicate products with the same product identifier, and the archive or remove product only if the quantity is 0 and all locations are disabled. You can enable if it related to your case. Once you are ready, click on Finish, and all changes will be saved.